Hello, everybody, and this is a Lamley unboxing. I tried my best. No, this is not Lamley's channel, but today we are going to unbox a Lamley exclusive. Let's crack this open. So, a little background: Lamley hosted a Whatnot streams to sell a few of his exclusive items. I think it was last week, if not 2 weeks ago, and I was able to. I'm not sure how limited these models are, but I'm just glad that I was able to um, get one because I do really like the specs. It's in white. It's Lamley's favorite color, from what I can tell. Here it is. It's the Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro. Taking a look at the box. It is a Toyota officially licensed product, which is always good. I only collect licensed models, so this fits the bill. You can find Lamley on Instagram or on his website. Oh yeah, and this is a Diecast Talk exclusive as well, with a collab with Lamley. So there it is right there. They have an Instagram and also a website. Oop, let me just. Yep, there it is. That's focused. And then if it wasn't focused earlier, Lamley Group. You can find Lamley Group on Instagram, and also he has a website. Diecast Talk. They have an Instagram, and they're pretty active on there too. And they have a website as well. Let's crack this open. Okay, so Diecast Talk sticker there. I think I can just push this out and throw away the sleeve. And it comes with a microfiber cloth, which is cool because I use this cloth to clean my model cars. So it's kind of cool that they included that. It's in white as well, so so it matches the cars if you care about that. On to the model. I'll put it on there for now. Okay. And the base is signed by Lamley, of course. I think all of them are signed, so which is a nice touch. I do like the color of the base, shaded blues. And it says on a nameplate here, Sequoia TRD Pro by GCD. It is I got the 129 out of 804, so it's limited. It is limited. And then down here it says Diecast Talk and Lamley exclusive, so which is cool. Okay. And usually something, I don't know if this is a GCD thing. This is my first GCD model. Usually the model, when you purchase it, it's screwed onto the base. So this one is a little different. It comes with a plastic insert, and then inside the acrylic, so it's kind of unique. Maybe it's just me. Now, like I said, this is my first GCD model, so I don't know if this is normal for all GCD models or not. I'm still not sure if I like it, because what if I want to get rid of this and I just want to display my model like that, like my other cars, right? Like my Enos, my Tarmac, since they're all screwed in. So, but obviously, if you put it without the insert, it's just gonna move. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's take a look at the model. Okay, let's take a look at the paint first. The paint looks okay. Some would say it's a bit on the thicker side, but I don't really mind. You can still see the definition and the details here. The door handles looks good. I mean, the panel gaps, it's okay. They're not the best. The wheels roll, and I think there is a TRD logo on each wheel, which is cool. The side mirrors are hard plastic. I'm sorry. And unlike Mini GT, they are rubber plastic, or they're actually rubber, so you can bend it a little bit. So there is a give for Mini GT models, but in this case, I don't even want to force it. I don't want to break it. It's hard plastic. Excuse me. And it does roll really well. And you might notice when I roll it, it kind of steer towards the left, and that is because, oh man, looking at the bottom part of this model, it's extremely detailed for a 64 scale, which is impressive. But as I was saying about the steering, it actually, you can lock the steer, you can lock the wheels towards, and it clicks. Did you guys hear that? I don't know, because I'm using a mic, but it clicks to a position. So the steering angle is not the best, but you guys get what I'm saying, right? So you can kind of steer it to the left or right. So if you need to take a photo, you can kind of angle it, for photos. And then, yeah, there's a working suspension here on both sides, which is super cool for a 64 scale. And again, this might not be new to you guys, but this is, like I said, this is my first GCD model, and then I'm already impressed. Look at this. Yeah, I don't know why it's not turning though. Like, because I've seen Lamleys in some of the YouTube videos that I've seen. Like they actually turn, not 180 degrees, but I don't know. But I'm not gonna do that anyways for the most part. But it's kind of like a cool feature, especially with trucks too. So you can put like some props here and there, and then have them, put it on the rock or something. So it looks like it's articulated. So you can see the shocks in works, or the suspension in works, when you take photos. But anyways, let's take a look at the front. The front grille. Let's focus it here a little bit. The front looks good. It's a mesh pattern, but they're not perforated, so you can't see the inside of the engine bay there. But the pattern looks good nonetheless. Headlights are plastic with some details inside. And the headlights itself, like that, the casing looks really good here. That's the lower bumper looks good too. Has some tiny holes. I don't know if you guys can see that. Then I already spoke about the wheels, suspension, and all that. And on to the back, there's a Lamley's decal up there. It's very minimal. So if you hate like big decos or big decals, you're gonna love this model, because it's very minimal, like I said. And then the Toyota emblem right there. The plate looks like it's a California plate, but I do believe John lives in Utah, so would have been cool if that's a plate in Utah. There's a Sequoia scripting down here. and chrome or silver exhaust. And taking a look at the bottom again, it's so cool that they included the a spare tire here, and it's also rubber, the same material as this one. And yeah, and then the exhaust pipe, all in silver chrome. Bottom is hard plastic. The exhaust and the exhaust pipe are hard plastic as well. The skid plate, I think that's what they call it, skid plate. I think it's a hard plastic, but it looks metal. It might be, yeah. No, it's plastic. Yeah, it is plastic, but it looks very detailed. It actually looks like metal, which is cool. Um, what else here? The roof rack. The roof rack on the roof here, and then also a sunroof, or not a sun, a panoramic roof. I'm sorry. And then on the inside, I don't know if you guys can see it because I'm just using my phone, but it looks like they are red TRD seats. Very cool. The wiper blades are separate, so it's not like glued onto the windshield, which is cool. So it's a separate piece. I don't know if I can get like a video of the dash, but from what I've seen, the dash looks very detailed, and then the back windows are tinted, so you can't really see it. But overall, for my first GCD model, I'm super happy with this one. Now I have another one coming. It's the Lexus GX. It's a diecast exclusive model with some accessories on the roof rack. So I'm very excited about that, and I think it's delivering today. So I'll create another video for that if you're interested. Do a quick unboxing. But this one is really solid. I mean, I'm a Tacoma guy, not a Sequoia guy, but whew, this one is really awesome. Really cool model. Now I need to get more GCD trucks. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video. That's it. Have a good one. Bye.